Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that referrals are a great way for you to grow. Okay, let me tell you a story. So, my local community, right? When I first started, I had helped out a local therapist, improve her business by helping her with the website, helping her with social media. What I immediately did, a couple months later, was I knocked on the door next to her because she was like in an office therapist guild is what I like to call them, where they have a bunch of them sharing or renting out space in one building. So I just knocked on the door. Hey, you want to work with me? I worked with her. He goes, yeah. And then knocked on the next one. Hey, I worked with her and with him. Do you want to work with me? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want to work? And we just kept going like that. We kept building it step by step. It's the same thing online. That's why I believe that referrals are a good way to grow, just period. Good work causes people to want to talk about you, which causes you to be able to rise a lot faster and go farther. Okay? If that's what you are looking for, how to, get going step by step, for someone to hold you by the hand so you can start moving forward and going towards the life that you deserve, I recommend go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share and have a great day. Subscribe and see you later.